Alright! Who's welcome to bake? Not like that, but... Hi, it's me again. I wanted to wait to post the wedding video and then start posting other videos, but the wedding video is being perfected on. So, we're gonna bake. I would want my recipe box. Like, what are we baking today, you're asking? We're gonna be baking blueberry banana bread. Here's all the ingredients. Oh, focus. Blueberry banana bread. Woo! Nicey. Welcome to my apartment, by the way. Oh, hi. Will I ever do an apartment tour? Probably. When? I have no idea. I got this bad boy as a wedding gift from Joey's grandma, so of course I want to use it because I've never used it before. So, they're probably asking where I got the inspiration from to make banana blueberry bread, and I'll tell you, I have these very ripe bananas right here. And I have more ripe bananas in here. I don't know if this is the real reason, but our AC in our apartment didn't work until like 3 days ago. And if you don't know where we are, we're in Phoenix, Arizona. And so it'd get really hot in here. And this was like for about, we've lived here now, you get like 85, 90 in here. So my theory is that that is why these bananas went ripe so fast. Like, we bought these on Friday, and today's Wednesday. I don't know, maybe it's normal. I don't know. Sorry you also can't see my countertop. I tried to make it so you could. Wait, I should try harder. Please hold. As you can see, I've tried harder now. With this bad boy over here. Heck yeah, it's time. The time is now. And I'm wondering if I should use this boy because I feel like this is good for breads, but I don't actually know. Step 1. Wait. Half cup butter. Now, I don't have any butter, but we do have this. I can't believe it's not butter because butter was expensive and this is on sale. I'm gonna whip out my I can't believe it's not butter. Just take myself a spoon. Can you still see me over here? Oh, kind of. Spoon, butter, spoon into my mouth. Oh, just kidding. I'm gonna take myself another smaller bowl. Oh, I should be preheating in the oven to 375. Now, I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it because I don't want to smear any butter. This has different like chemical reactions. I don't know. But I'm gonna only put it in the microwave for like 15 seconds because it's already pretty soft. It says softened, but I always like my butter melted, but then people are like, "Oh, cook your eggs!" And I'm just like, oh, I've never had that happen, so. Whoa! My butter popped! Did I mention that I'm married now? I'm married now. Anyways, I'm married now. Have been for about 5.5 weeks. If you're wondering where Joey is, he's at work. If you're wondering why I'm not at work, it's because my job, I have a job. It doesn't start until August. So, anyways, I'm just gonna take my popped butter and, oh wow, that's interesting. I've been going for the red kitchen theme. You know, I got my red KitchenAid now, and what do I do? Now I'm gonna scrape all my I can't believe it's not butter out of here. Next, 1 cup sugar. Now, I try to live a healthy lifestyle, and I don't want to put sugar in yet because I want to see if the bananas will be sweet enough. It doesn't call for any vanilla extract. So next is 2 large eggs, and we only do them large around here, ladies. Crack. You guys should be spinning the KitchenAid now. How do I take this off? Do I just pull it? I feel like I can just pull it. Maybe I'll just have to use this one. But I don't want to use this one because then it'll be all stuck in there. Alexa, how do I remove a KitchenAid mixer stirrer?
I'm not sure.
Oh, did it. I'm gonna put this bad boy on. If any of you are wondering if you think it's a bad idea that we got married so young, I'm here to tell you that it's actually a great idea if you have, you know, if you're not like financially not ready. Which you'll never be financially ready ever in your life. I heard that somewhere one time from a preacher, I think. I don't know, but if you both got jobs, you're both making money, find yourself a little apartment, get a little cozy, go ahead and get married. If you're in a relationship, of course, don't marry anybody you just see. I'm just gonna in my KitchenAid mixer. I'm gonna pop this sucker right in. Now it is time for my 3 ripe bananas. Now, okay, well, I guess I'm peeling these 2 first. Now that I have banana in my nails and these peels, I will throw them away over here. Hi. Here's what the inside of our bowl looks like. Anybody wondering? Now, I can probably start stirring this on low. I'm gonna take a fork with it at myself. Normally I have these windows open back here, but it is just right outside. It's backlit, so I don't actually live in the dark. I open all of our windows, and I love sunshine. But I also love other weather like rain and winter, but that's not gonna happen. The other day, I did experience my first dust storm and monsoon, so that was exciting. Look at this crazy dust storm, man. Whoa, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh, there goes a bag. Crazy. Oh, wow. It's so dusty. It's way dustier in person than on video. You can take the girl out of Colorado, but you can never take the Colorado out of the girl. This is gonna be a really long video to edit. I keep talking too. Like I should just calm myself so it's not as long. Next is 2 cups of flour, and can anybody guess what color my measuring cups are? Haha, you're wrong. They're pink. But you're probably wrong again because they're black. But I also have some red ones. So now I've got my all-purpose enriched flour. Is it bleached? Yes. You know, nothing like some good white stuff, am I right? Now I'm gonna dump my flour in that shiz. Are you all baking with me alongside? Yes, you are. This is fun. Let's do it again sometime. And I'm gonna mix. Not that fast, not that fast. And I can always change the mixing thing. I'm just gonna change the mixing thing because I need progress. I didn't want to go with this one because I thought it would get stuck in there, but I do have this one, so I can try this one too, which I'm going to. I'm going to try all the mixers, why not, alright? It smells really good. Alright. We're in business. Alright, next is the baking soda. In case you're wondering, there is a difference between baking powder and baking soda. Oh, I was telling you the difference between baking soda and baking powder. Baking soda makes things rise when it's reacted with salt. Baking powder browns things. I'm not sure if that's exactly right, but we're gonna go with it. So I'm putting in my baking soda and my salt. I will post the instructions in the comments below. I mean, in the, you know what I mean. Okay, now we're gonna mix it up again. This looks really good. Now, earlier I stated that I wanted to see if do without sugar. In my humble opinion, it probably can. But for the heck of it, I'm going to put a little vanilla extract in there because it tasted slightly salty. I'm gonna put a teaspoon in. Alright, this ruins it. Well, my bad. Alright, once again, in my humble opinion, probably needs a little sugar because I just can't keep dousing in, you know, vanilla extract. So we take ourselves our silent killer, and the recipe calls for 1 cup, but I'm gonna do 1/4 of it. Just still trying to live a healthier lifestyle. Oh gosh, it still seems like a lot of sugar. You know, I'm just gonna put half of that in. Alright, once again, in my humble opinion, a little more of a dash. So I ended up putting 1/8 of a cup of sugar in there, probably. It's like half of the 4th, so 1/8, you can do that. Gonna get my blueberries back there. The recipe calls for 1.5 cups. Ooh, wow, that's leaking. I can't really measure them out. I'm just gonna do it to look like, oh, that looks like a pretty good amount of strawberries. I mean, blueberries. I'll just use all my blueberries. Blueberry clothes. So I have myself my bread pan. Okay, call myself. And I have myself some cooking spray, coconut oil, you know. Pop. And I'm going to, you know, give it a good spray. You know who's quite the chef? My husband. Last night he made a steak. And he makes burgers. I hate avoid touching raw meat. So the oven is preheated to 375, but you only we're baking. We only bake it on 375 for 15 minutes and then reduce the heat to 350 and bake it an additional 30 minutes. Many of you are wondering where we went on our honeymoon. We went to Hawaii, the big island, not the exploding side. I didn't vlog any of it, took no video, took pictures, but I just didn't want to vlog it because, you know, I gotta make sure you scrape the edges. So I got that out. Make sure you get the remainder on this rubber spatula. So here we go, pre-oven, ready to go. All right, here we go. Now, timer. I've been recording for 25 minutes. 15 minutes are up. Stopping, bake. 350, bake. Timer. Go. Bam! Bread is out of the oven. Yes. As I stroke it. It's backlit. And it smells